This is a very quick video of an Edwards heat detector that is located in the kitchen of my church. I'm almost certain it's just fixed temperature, and according to the label, it is rated at 135 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning that if the temperature around the detector reaches or exceeds 135 degrees, it will trigger the alarm. I have no idea when this was installed. It looks like an older device, so it may have been installed in the 80s or 90s. It is hooked up to the same fire detection system as that includes the system sensor masses, one of which I filmed earlier. But I don't know if it's newer than the alarm system itself. There used to be another one of these out here, but they replaced it with, I think, a system sensor heat detector, although I'm not exactly sure. Thank you for watching.